friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready to draw something super fun and cute today? Let's draw an adorable apple together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. Let's start with the apple stem. Use your black marker and draw a small curvy rectangle at the top of our apple. Now, let's add a leaf next to the stem. Add a line in the middle and a few veins to make it look real. Next, we'll draw the apple. Start at one side of the stem and draw a big round shape. Let's make our apple even cuter by giving it 2 little feet at the bottom. Draw 2 tiny ovals, one on each side. Perfect. Now, let's bring our apple to life. Draw 2 big, cute eyes near the middle. Add a tiny circle inside each eye and color it black to make them shiny.
La da 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 dee.
Then, draw a happy, smiley mouth below the eyes. Isn't our apple looking adorable? Fantastic job, everyone! Now, let's make our drawing pop. Use your black marker to trace over all the lines and make them bold and sharp. Wow, it looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our apple. Grab your colors, and I'll guide you along. For the stem, let's use bottle green color.
Wow!
Color the leaf with a bright green color. For the feet, we'll use pink, such a fun color. Finally, let's color the apple with a bold, bright red color. It's going to look delicious. Great job! Your apple looks amazing. Wow, you all did such an incredible job drawing and coloring this cute apple today. Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time, friends! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.